Here's what you'll find in the package for the new BP305160170TP pool. You'll find the handle itself, 2 fixing rings and their built-in Allen screws, wood screws in 3 lengths, 6mm, 12mm, and 30mm, and an Allen key. The handle must be installed on the surface. Here's how to do it. First, measure the spacing between the holes of the handle and transfer this measurement to the board with a pencil. To save time on this video, we pre-drilled the holes using a drill. Place the 2 rings where the holes were drilled. In this case, given the thickness of the board, use the shortest screw. Preferably, screw the rings to the board and place the Allen screws facing each other. Use an electric screwdriver to get the job done faster. Insert the handle into the 2 rings and tighten the Allen screws to secure the handle. Here's the end result: a board for cheese, cold cuts, or other uses.